came in a nice secure box here. When I opened it up, check this out. They sent me a Hearview hat. It's pretty cool. I like the blue color. But nice quality with that H on it and Hearview on the side. Pretty neat. And then I've already kind of opened this, but in the box, they had a really cool container here with a Hearview on the top. It was all wrapped up nice in bubble wrap. So I'm gonna take my knife, get into this hole here, and slice it down. Feels official. Now we're gonna open this up. You'll see, hard to see there, but it says user guide. Pop that open. Here's the user guide. Now look at this solid case. It's pretty heavy. See the sounds of the world. You can even smell the newness of the box here. We're gonna take the glasses out. Let's see what they look like. Okay. Well, you can see there where the screen is on the lens. That's pretty cool. But otherwise, you can see straight through them. And we'll take a look at the frames. It says Hearview there. They're nice and thick and robust, probably for the battery and all the components. And then here's a look from the side or from the back. Then underneath we have a charging port. Looks like power on and off. Probably some speakers back here. Another button on that side, so we'll have to take a look, see exactly what these things do. Pretty cool.